Hey, Zoe.
Here we are. We're at Huber Farms. Here we are at Huber Farms. Huber Farms with
We gotta take him first. Let me see.
Chris Hayden and his children, Zoe and Samantha and Atticus.
You know what I see?
On your neck?
Did that sign up there?
No?
It says
On your
Family
finger?
Maze.
You're tall.
That's Atticus.
Here, we got one more, Jen, and we'll be done, okay?
Oh, that's a cat. Oh, that's from that little guy.
One more for you guys, and then we're going to move on, all right?
Oh, wow. I forgot to put a belt on today. How about that? Uh-oh. My pants are they're falling down. Pants on the ground. Uh-oh. Good thing I got a pair of boxers on.
Here, no, I
I want you to feed it.
Puerto Vallarta, before Noah was born,
I think I want to.
and because my in-laws have they do a time and they had a couple extra weeks.